To make this butterfly, let's begin with making a magic ring. After the magic ring, start making 2 chains. This will be counted as first DC. Then another double crochet and add 2 chains. 2 double crochet and 2 chains make one set. So here we are going to repeat this and make 8 sets. That is 2 double crochet and 2 chains. Here I have completed 3 sets. Similarly, I will complete all the 8, and at the end I am going to make a slip stitch. We have completed round 1. To continue, let's first pull the tail of the magic ring and close the gap in between. For round 2, add 2 chains. Here again, the 2 chains are counted as first double crochet. Then we will make another double crochet in the same space. Add 2 chains, 2 more double crochets in the same space. This is the pattern that we are going to repeat. Let's make another set in the chain space. 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet in the same space. We are going to repeat the same pattern in all the chain spaces and complete round 2. Just to secure the middle part of the butterfly, I am using a needle. Now we will be changing the color. I will just start from the place in between 2 stitches. Make a chain to secure the yarn and start making double crochet in the chain space. Here we will be making 7 double crochet. Now make a single crochet in the space between 2 stitches. Now repeat this pattern in all the chain spaces to make this last row. Now let's repeat making 7 double crochet in the chain space a single crochet in between the two stitches. After completing, we will just make a single crochet, the last stitch, and a slip stitch to complete this round. This is looking like a beautiful flower. You can use it as it is, but here we will turn this into a butterfly. Just insert the hook and pull out the loop on the other side. We will just insert, pull out the loop and make a slip stitch. In the same way, we are going to stitch the center part. After making slip stitch up to this point, now start making 10 chains. Skip one chain and start making slip stitch. After coming back to the starting point, again from here we will make another 10 chains, skip a chain and come back making slip stitch in each chain. Like, share and subscribe for more such beautiful and simple crochet projects. Thank you.